Hi, I'm Walter Everett. I've written or co-written 3 books and many articles on the Beatles' music, and have produced many publications on the work of other rock artists.
Hey, my name's Jack Petruzzelli. I'm a recording and performing musician. Worked with artists such as Patti Smith, Rufus Wainwright, Ian Hunter, produced a bunch of records for Joan Osborne, and I'm in a Beatles tribute band called the Fab Faux, which Rolling Stone magazine credits as the world's greatest Beatles tribute band. Woohoo! And I'm thrilled to be involved in this online workshop called the Beatles and You.
Hi, my name's Greider. I'm a guitarist and multi-instrumentalist. I've played with people like Rufus Wainwright and Chris Cornell and Sean Lennon. And I'll be leading the virtual band section of this special 1-week summer intensive version of the Beatles and You.
In teaching numerous university courses beginning in 1981, I've loved guiding listeners from beginners to the advanced in discovering the literally thousands of amazing ideas contained within the group's melodies, harmonies, rhythms, tone colors, and formal structures, all closely tied to the meanings that may be coaxed out of their highly poetic lyrics.
In this workshop, we'll explore songwriting, we'll explore musicianship, we'll explore the recording process. Through our resources, we also get students involved in not only learning the exact parts, but also participating with other students and making your own Beatle recordings.
Now, if you sign up for the virtual bands, you'll get together on Zoom with myself and a small group of musicians at your level and learn and record your own Beatles cover. I'll supply you with all the individual tracks, and you can put those in GarageBand or whatever program you use to record with, replace one of the parts, or come up with your own part that works for the song. The goal is to have fun and improve our musicianship while we study this amazing music. And I look forward to seeing you there.
Looking forward to it. Hope you can join us.
I hope you'll join me and my colleagues in exploring this topic in our workshop, The Beatles and You.